Hi guys, today is day 1 of Nairobi, Kenya, and just look at how beautiful this is. There's all these birds coming in this little feeder or whatever, so there's birds everywhere. But today is just a chill day. We're just kind of recuperating after traveling 30 hours to get here, but I think this is so beautiful. Just like look around. Of Nairobi, and what are we doing today?
We are going to go to church this morning, then go out to lunch, and then to a large mall.
So that's the plan. It should be good. That's all I have to say. Day 3 and we are walking in the forest, and there's tons of trees and monkeys and hopefully not snakes, but we're going to a waterfall. I feel like a jungle person. I don't know. I feel like a jungle person. How about you?
Yep, we're just walking through the forest looking for some monkeys with Prego Aunt Holly.
There she is.
That's right.
Hi guys, today is day 4. It's actually the end of the day, so I'll just explain what we did today, and then I'll insert the clips of what we did today. So we went to this tea plantation slash farm type of thing, and what that is basically this tea farm, and it taught us how to make tea. They gave us a lot of tea to try, and we just walked through forests and just really crazy random things, but it was really fun, and we had a really good lunch too, so that was dope. And then after that, we wanted to go to this really pretty like cliff to look at all of Africa, basically all of Kenya. And we were driving there, and the Google Maps took us to this really weird road, like totally dirt. Like it's only one lane, so only one car can fit on this road. So it took us there. We end up driving this way, and there's tons of cars coming towards us this way. So we had to pull off into a driveway, and all of these cars keep coming, and they're squeezing past us because it's only a 1-lane road. And it seriously was so stressful, and we realized that all these cars coming this way was for a funeral procession. They were all going to a funeral, so that's why there were so many cars coming this way. So we finally maneuvered around, turned around to the direction that all the cars were going to, went back the way we came, back to the freeway, and finally went to the view area of Kenya. But as we got out, we were just like attacked by vendors. It was really kind of overwhelming because so many people were so desperate to have us buy stuff at this tourist location. So that was very stressful, having to decline so many different people and still be polite. But we ended up driving back, and it took us like 2 hours to drive back, but it was okay. So that was the day. Obviously my makeup looks bad at the end of the day. My voice is a little bit not there, but yeah, that's just day 4, so I'll let you see that right here. Day 5, and today is another rest day because we have been doing a lot of stuff and we're kind of just getting tired. Also, Holly is getting further along as far as like having her baby, and she's getting extra tired too, so she's actually going to be induced tomorrow. That's basically the deal for today. We are going to go to the grocery store, to a coffee shop / lunch place, and then just hang out for the rest of the day. So that's gonna happen. One of the things that I realized is my skin is not liking this climate. You can see how shiny I am, how many new pimples I have. My skin is not liking this humidity. So I am so excited to get back home for the reason of that I can wash my face and just... it'll feel so nice. I won't feel greasy and gross because I literally feel greasy and gross all the time. So I probably won't even wear makeup tomorrow because I just can't. Other than that, the other thing that I realized is just how needed this trip has been for me, because I just really was getting to the point of burnout. My friends were worried about me, and my family and Alec was worried about me. And I just was really running. I think there's a monkey, that's why I'm stopping. I was really running myself dry with 2 jobs, the church, school, keeping up with my friendships and relationships and all those things, and I really just couldn't handle it all. So I really needed this trip, and the Lord is really teaching me how much I can't do life without Him, because I've been trying, pal. And it was a bird, and let me tell you, it does not work. So I'm really just excited for when I come back. I've already have a bunch of ideas and things that I want to implement in my daily life so that I don't get to this point again where the Lord is not in my life and I just keep going and forgetting Jesus, you know what I mean? So that's the deal, that's what I've been learning. But yeah, let's head on to day 5. Hey guys, so I'm going to do day 5 and 6 together just because day 5 was a little bit boring, and day 6 I'm just going to be sitting in a hospital. So yeah, but obviously my skin is looking so bad. I'm starting to really want to go home because the longer I'm here, the more the sticky humidity is just making my skin look worse, and I feel sticky all the time, and I just hate this feeling. so I'm starting to really want to go home, but I'm trying not to complain and still enjoy my time here. But basically yesterday we just went to another mall. We bought some clothes for Holly, my aunt, and we just ate some food. Didn't really do a lot, that's why I just have like 2 clips from yesterday, but I wasn't allowed to film inside the mall because I don't know, they just wouldn't let you. So I didn't really film a lot. So that's why we didn't really do much. And then we just kind of hung out here. I did a bunch of homework just so that I'm like free to be available when Holly has her baby. So I was trying to work ahead. So that's really all we did. And Holly left last night to be induced. She's been at the hospital all night and this morning, and nothing's really happening yet. So that's why me and my mom are kind of chilling at the house. We're gonna go a little bit later to the hospital just to sit with her. So I'll probably just do more homework in the coffee shop. So it'll again be not very eventful, but yeah, I just wanted to put these 2 days together. I think I might have the days wrong. I don't know if today is 5 and 6 or 6 and 7. So I'm gonna figure that out because I'm not really sure. I will clarify for tomorrow what day I'm actually on. Yeah. But anyways, just ignore my really bad skin and let's just hop right into these 2 days. Are you impressed with me?
I'm so impressed. I don't know if I've ever done that.
These are the accomplishments that I make. So this is the end of part 1 for my vlog. I'm gonna do a part 2 with the next 7 days of this trip. And currently, right now, we are in the hospital. We are just waiting for my cousin, Baby Jack, to come. Holly's water did break, so we're just waiting, you know, for other things to happen. So I wanted to see your face. That's the deal. We're just gonna be staying here all night and hopefully we'll have more to update you with. But anyways, stay tuned for the next vlog that'll be coming to you shortly. Goodbye guys.